Hello, dear students, class 12th history, and today we are going to discuss chapter Peasants, Zamindar, and the State. And today's topic for discussion is 1.1 looking for sources. It means what are the sources to know about the rural society and agriculture of Mughal Empire or medieval Mughal Empire. So, let's start this topic. So, completely, we are going about the three sources. Our understanding of the working of rural society does not come from those who worked at that land, as peasants did not write about themselves. So if we want to know about the rural society of Mughal Empire, we are not completely having the understanding from the farmers and peasants, because they did not write about themselves. Peasants not write because they were mostly illiterate. So who will write about the medieval period society? So mostly there are the three sources. If we know that, you can see here, Ain-e-Akbari, the chronicle, the history written by Abul Fazl, Mughal court. Second, another source was there. The sources, records from Gujarat. You can see on this page, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. There were also revenue records. We can use these detailed revenue records. And third, another thing was there. You can see East India Company records also there. So three, mostly there are the three important sources to know about the rural society of Mughal period. So first we are going to discuss one of the most important chronicles or source to know about the Mughal rural society, that was mostly Ain-e-Akbari, that was chronicle, that was history, Ain-e-Akbari, written by Abul Fazl, the Akbar's court historian. Okay, so Abul Fazl's court historian was Abul Fazl, and this text meticulously recorded the arrangements made by the state to ensure cultivation, to enable the collection of revenue by the agencies of the state, and to regulate the relationship between the state and rural magnates, the zamindar. So Aine Akbari giving the detailed information, detailed data, accounts about the Mughal ruler, Mughal revenue system, how they are collecting revenue, etc. This is Aine Akbari. So this is the first source we can use, Aine Akbari, for the Mughal rural society, to know about Mughal rural society, Aine Akbari, written by Abul Fazl. That is first source. The second source we will see completely from this textbook, that is account of the Aine can be supplemented by descriptions contained in sources emanating from regions away from the Mughal capital. So we can compare the amount of the Aine Akbari from the another sources also. The another sources were detailed revenue records from Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Also in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan area in 17th and 18th centuries, also the revenue records were written up by other rulers and local rulers. So these records and also have providing the great information about Mughal rural society. There was the Subedars in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, and Rajasthan also, and Mughal influence was there. So we can study those sources written in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat to know about the Mughal rural society of 17th and 18th century. More sources if we need, then we can also use the East India Company records. East India Company in 1600 take their entry, and also they were having their influence in Bengal region, in eastern region. So eastern region we want to study the Mughal rural society pattern information. So we can study the East India Company records. These are the useful description of agrarian relation in eastern India. So you want to know about the eastern India agrarian relation, agricultural relation, rural society, we have to study East India Company resources. So these all resources record instances of conflicts between peasants, zamindar, and the state, and in the process they give us an insight into peasants perceptions of their expectations of fairness from the states. It means these all three sources you will study from this book and make your notes. First, we discussed about the three things only, which are the sources are available mostly to know about the rural society of Mughal Empire. First source we will use that Aine Akbari, written by Abul Fazl. Second source we will use the records written in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. And third, East India Company records written in East India mostly. And to know about the East India agrarian relations, we study those British records. How this video was useful or not, please comment. And if you like more videos, just comment. Thank you very much for watching this video.